Hello friends, I Gopal Verma back with new Excel utility data consolidation. At our workplace, several times we come across a situation where we need to consolidate data spread over various Excel files. The same task can be done with the help of data consolidation. Although the same task can be done using the VLOOKUP, but if you are not proficient in VLOOK application of the VLOOKUP, then obtained result always will be with error. Data consolidation option is very simple of utility. In illustration, I have taken detail of stock lying at three dealer points as in the in the sheet agent 1, agent 2 and agent 3. You can see here the items are not similar. In sheet 1, the list encompasses 10 items, whereas at the sheet 2, you can see here only 7 items, and in third spreadsheet, you can see 6 items are there. To obtain the result or consolidate data, select a fresh sheet, right here report, select the position where you want to consolidate the data. Its keyboard shortcut is Alt A and N. The same task can be done using the Excel ribbon. Data under the data tab, you can find the consolidation option. By clicking over this, we can activate the function. I always prefer to use keyboard shortcut because keyboard shortcut enhance your proficiency. So friend, be always familiar with the keyboard shortcut. Okay, let's start. In the report sheet, what we will do? First, we will press Alt A N. So a pop-up window will appear with various fields, with various active fields. So first active field is the function field. With the help of drop-down sign, we can select desired function like sum, count, average, max, mean, etc. In this particular case, we will sum up the quantity lying at the various dealer point. So I will select here sum. Next field is related with the reference. Reference means the reference of the data which we want to consolidate. So first minimize with the help of with this arrow. Select the data field we want to consolidate. For this, shift right and down arrow key will be very much helpful for you. So select here. I have selected here data of first spreadsheet. Now press add. You can see here data percolated into this window. In similar manner, I will select data from the second spreadsheet. This also has been selected. Now press 8. You can see here two data fields in this dialog box, and in similar manner I will select data from the third spreadsheet and it. We can see here 1, 2 and 3. Three data fields are this in this window. Now next part is the labeling of the report. So where with the help of checkbox we can select the label. So top row in this particular case I need top row labeling as well as left column labeling. Now the third option is create a link to the source data. By clicking over this, we are establishing a connection with the mother sheet. In case any kind of change in the mother sheet, automatically report get updated. So I am clicking over this. Now press OK. We can see here a summary report of all the stocks lying at the various spreadsheet. So if I in extreme left of the screen, you can see a expand button. By clicking over this field will get expand, and by placing the cursor we can have source reference. So in this particular case, if I place the cursor over here, you can see here the reference. So agent 1 and cell reference is C10. With the help of control and second bracket, we can navigate the location of source data. Now return back to the original position. So friends, in this way we can consolidate as many as possible spreadsheet. This is more advantageous over VLOOKUP because it is very much simple, effective. Further, not much higher proficiency is required. Friends, I hope you managed to understand the use of data consolidation.